mHuddle Interactive Customer Interactions is a mobile and web solution, a unique idea with patent pending, global market, a huge customer need, and a team that can deliver. You taste a delicious cake just by looking at it. mHuddle Interactive Customer Interactions helps organizations to reduce interaction costs, increase sales, customer satisfaction, and loyal customers by providing a wonderful interaction channels. mHuddle has two main customers, organizations and people wants to interact with organizations. Organizations are looking to increase sales and loyal customers while reducing interactions cost. Their customers want to have beneficial interactions using single app, single registrations and signing without receiving spams and wasting time waiting for an available representative. Isn't it hard to provide your information every time to every organization you want to interact with? What a pain to have too many apps in order to interact with organizations. Isn't it hard to remember your signing information? When, with just one app, one click, you can register to any organization you want. With mHuddle, it is easy to interact with organizations. Just a single click. In order to increase their customers, organizations can invite targeted people to join them using mHuddle. A flight got cancelled and customers on that flight will receive a flight cancellation interaction through mHuddle. A loyal customer has a passion about an organization. He invited his friend to join that organization. This is another way organizations can gain new customers. A customer house has some gas leaking. He sent a critical customer service request which got processed at once. Muhammad and Wael had been working with each other more than 1 year. They delivered eBird with each other. Muhammad has more than 20 years of experience delivering software projects and doing startups. Wael has more than 17 years of experience doing graphics design. Muhammad and Wael are working to see mHuddle in every house globally, and they have the experience and the skills to do that.